Southwest. Here we have what appears to be Delta. His gear is out. Orth. Oh no, it's United. Or JetBlue, whatever. JetBlue. Okay, everybody, here we have a CRJ.
And I'm here with Grayson.
Be quiet, man. You don't even know anything about planes. If you know anything about planes, what is this, a 737 or a CRJ?
CRJ.
Oh, yeah? That's because I just said it.
Imagine we just...
Is that Delta? Delta connection, CRJ. Oh, come on. Nobody cares about the train that's just sitting here. Here is FedEx 1433. It's a FedEx A300, one of the biggest planes that comes to Norfolk International Airport. FedEx A300. Looks like he's got full flaps. His gear's coming down. Full flaps with gear and some lights. Hopefully he brings my packages. Alright, thanks for watching. 7:32 in the morning. I got up early for this. That's why I sound kind of tired. But yeah, that was FedEx A300. Flight number 1433. Here we have United 674 in the Star Alliance livery. He's in the Star Alliance livery for United. Got his gear out. You can barely see it, but that's the Star Alliance 737 from United. Thanks for watching.